So there was one time that the cat just came up to me, and you want to know what he did? Well, put in the description, the comments, you want to know what he did. No, that's not what I'm going to say. What I'm going to say is, my friend was holding the cat for me to pet, and then it did hit me in the face and meowed like me, 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 me. I thought he was trying to say mean, which means I'm mean. I am not mean. And then he just ran out the door, and technically I was like, you come back here! Because I was about to chase after him, like, you come back here! So, well, of course, he did not actually come back here. Well, yeah, he did actually come back. I've seen him a lot in his house. His name's Grady. Grady. I mean, not Grady. Not Grady. It's Spencer. Yeah. Oh wow, it's already coming up on 2 minutes 13. 2 minutes. Basically whatever, but so yeah. So technically I was like, well, if you run away, you a bad cat. So if you think this is funny, put this in the comments below that it's very funny. And if we could try to get to since I haven't put a like amount yet, or if we could try to get to 100 likes. Try to get to 100 likes this time. 100 likes for say one of my videos gets 100 likes, that would be counted for 100 likes. Say one of my video gets 50 likes, and my other video gets 50 likes, that would be counted as 100 likes. And say one video gets 25, one video gets 25, one video gets 25. One video gets 25, that would be counted as 100. One video gets 25. One video gets 75, that would be counted as 100. One video, anything that equals up to 100 or just 100. Or something that, equals up to 100, or is the difference 100 or some, whatever, so. Yeah, if we could try to get to about 100 likes, that would be great. So, bye, guys.